Good morning students, welcome back to my computer online class. So we were discussing 5th chapter from your computer book. That chapter is about fun with paint. So let's continue that chapter. So all of you open your books, page number 46. See, today we are going to learn this topic, select all option. To select the whole image, you can use select all option. Select all option is used to select the whole image. Okay, this command is used to select the entire image. To select the entire image, we can use select all option. At first, click on the select on the image group, then click on select all. First we have to click on the select group, then this will displayed on the screen and we can select all option. Okay, like that we can select all the picture, whole picture, not only a part, not only specific parts. We can select whole picture by use select all option. Understand? Now see delete. How to delete? This command is used to delete the selected part of an image. The part which we have selected, we can delete that part by use this command, delete. There are following steps to use delete selection. So we can follow some steps to use delete selection. Okay, step 1, select any part of an image. Step 2, click on the select from the image group and click on delete. The selected part of image gets deleted. So first we have to select any part of an image which we want to delete, which we want to cut. And then step 2, click on select from the image group and click on delete. After that we should click on select from the image group and click on delete. The selected part of image gets deleted. Then the selected part which we have to remove, that will be deleted. Okay, so first we can select any part of an image which we want to delete and then click the select image group, select from the image group, and then after that a chart will be displayed and we should click on the delete option, and then the selected part of the particular image will be deleted. Understand? Here see, we have selected this part and after delete this part will remove. Okay, copy and paste. How can we copy and paste some parts? The copy command helps you to copy the selected parts of an image to another location. So the copy commands we can use to copy the selected parts of an image to another location. To copy, follow the given steps. To copy anything from an image, we can follow the following steps. Step 1, select any part of the image or drawing either by using rectangular selection or freeform selection. So we have discussed about rectangular selection and freeform selection. So by using that that form of selection, we can select any part of an image. Now click copy on the clipboard group, and now click copy from the clipboard group. After copying the image, it should be fixed to another location. So after copying, that should be fixed to another location. This is called pasting. So after fixed to another location, that is known as pasting. Okay, after copying the image, it should be fixed to another location, and this is known as pasting. On the clipboard group, this is the clipboard group, here copy option will be available. So we have to click on that copy option, and after that, after copying the image, that should be fixed to another location. Okay. Now see step 2. Click on paste from the clipboard group. Here also another group is present, which is paste. So click on the paste from clipboard group. You get the selected image pasted on the top left corner of the screen. You can drag this image to the desired place in the drawing area. After paste, we can drag the image wherever we want. Okay. See, after copying this is, and it should be paste like here. See next topic, cut and paste. The cut command is used in the same way as the copy command, but it removes the selected portion from the image as if you have cut it out with a pair of scissors. So the cut command is used in the same way in that of copy command, but in the cut command the selected portion will be removed. Okay. In order to cut, follow these steps. So we should follow these steps. Step 1, select the area or part of an image that you want to cut. So first of all, we have to select the particular area. Now click on cut from the clipboard group. So in the clipboard group, cut option will be available. So we have to click on the cut group. You can see that the selected portion has been cut from the drawing. So after you clicked on the cut option, then the selected portion have been cut from the drawing. Step 2, now you can paste it at your desired location using paste in the clipboard group. So after you using the paste option, you can paste that image in your desired place, at the place where you want. Okay. So like this, first we have to select an image, then click on the cut option, then like this only one picture will be available, because after cut the other picture will be removed. Okay. So when we will do practical, you will better understand. Okay students. Now say polygon means a closed figure with more than 3 sides. Polygon means a figure which have more than 3 sides. The figures which have more than 3 sides are known as polygon. Okay. Remember this. Now see, let's summarize. Ribbon contains 2 parts, tabs and groups. Color picker is used to select color of any object you click on. Curve is used to draw curved lines. So we have discussed in our previous classes about all these topics. Eraser is used to erase the text or picture that you have created. Polygon is used to draw closed plane figures bounded by straight lines. Copy command is used to copy the selected part of an image to another location. Cut command is used to remove the selected part of an image. So this is the summary of this chapter. So students, it's your today's class. I hope you all understand this. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.